Start by unlooping the rope to loosen the cover. Loosen the cover from the rear towards the front to facilitate easy sliding onto the suppressor. Measure before cutting, as it shortens when applied. For a suppressor measuring 5.25 inches, use a 6.75-inch sleeve, allowing for an inch of overlap. Slide the sleeving over the suppressor, covering the intended length. Insert the sleeve suppressor into the cover, allowing a small overhang at the end to prevent it from walking back when firing. Ensure the cover also extends slightly at the rear. Without covering the suppressor's larger back portion, pull the cover tight and begin tightening from the front to the back. The cover size varies along the length of the can, starting from about 1.4 inches and tapering up to 2.25 inches. Tighten accordingly to fit the unique diameter profile. As you cinch the cover, pull away from the loop cord to secure the back first. Then, tighten the front by pulling the other rope, adjusting the cover to taper smoothly over the suppressor. For any excess open areas, loop the rope around these spots, ensuring a tight fit both at the rear and along the suppressor. Double-check the cover for any loose areas and ensure it's cinched tightly around the entire suppressor for optimal performance and protection. Thread the bungee through the loop cord and cinch point for an additional loop, ensuring everything is tight and secure.